We just need you to read the script.
Oh dear God. I've never read the script before, so yeah, let's go. This week,
on the f***ing channel. The only one we use because we don't give any f***s to anyone.
we discuss the murder of the late, very shy Anne. She was in kitchen making cookies.
It's like a giant f***. Suddenly neighbors saw her and they saw her running through the yard. She was screaming like a maniac. It sounded like this.
She was screaming like a maniac. It sounded like this. Screw you. Anyway.
Do you hear that? It sounds lovely. I think I hear a fly though.
It's dead now. Don't worry. Well, that's it on this
F***ing channel. I'm out.